Level 1 seems to get rid of that little scratch, so. And it's also where it starts to use the brightening. I'm usually walking in the dark. That's Yuki. Gorou. Gorou just turned 12. Yuki is 5. She'll be 6. 6 months or so. I don't know what she's doing. She's going pee-pee. Yeah. Pee-pee. That's what she's doing. Well, I could have showed you, but I was too slow. There's a skeet over here, but they didn't. Wow, it's weird. Kick it, kick it, kick it. Whee! Peeled out. We all got stuff in our lives, right? I got stuff in my life. I don't talk about it on here. Hard dealing with everything, isn't it? Oh well, what are you gonna do? Not deal? Oh, but then you'll come back. A twap. A twap, whap, 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 whap. You're twapped. But we make our own shit. Why would I do this to myself? To test or to prison? I think it's just to grow. It's not like a school. A school, I would think, is like something that has a lesson plan, and it sets out with structure and makes you learn this or that. But I think if you just have experiences, multiple experiences of varying kind, you know, you build this understanding that, you know, 2 plus 2 equals 4, but it could be 2 couples meeting each other, and it could be like the beginning of a community. I mean, who knows what it really means. What all this is, you know, it's like, where am I here? Maybe those people are here to figure out why they're here. But then everybody's different, right? Do you think that you're here for the same reason that somebody else is here? We're all here to do the same thing. It's a race. There could be only one. Once I push the button, y'all can go home. What? Gorou, come on, hurry up, you're slow. I see a guy talking about, I think he's doing a helpful thing. I don't know who he was, but 294,000 views. I don't know about that kind of stuff. It'd be interesting for something I made to get that many views. And then I could believe that somebody else could do it. I mean, I get 12. And I'm like, wow, some people watched my video. Or maybe the same person came back a bunch of times trying to get it stricken. But they don't do that anymore, so. As I told that little secret, they probably won't come by anymore. Yeah, I guess I am probably already in whatever group I'm in. Probably there already. But I think pretty soon I'll be in that group. I have to have so many small groups being the same thing because I don't want us to work together. Now that's your poo-poo. She said I saved that one from yesterday. Looks like somebody else was here already. I think it was probably a railroad worker. Oh cool, this spot that we always go to. It's always ice. Today it's water. Come on, let's go over here. Right down at the heart of it. See, I'm not scared to go here because I know, excuse me, the terrain. It's the beach. Those are all icebergs, things, big chunks of ice. Everything freezes over on the top. And then it gets snow on it, and maybe it comes up and another one goes on top of it and it gets thicker. And some of it is just really big and massive when it comes apart. It falls down the mountains into the water. It comes from many different sources. But anyway, when the tide goes up and down, it breaks it. So it lifts it up and it lifts it up uneven and things get stuck. It's fun when there's another place that I used to walk, but I don't go there anymore because it's just, I don't know, there's a lot of people there that I don't like. There's always those fucking joggers jogging and there's no shoulder. And there's a road, it's all windy and it banks from side to side. They don't plow it good. And then there's knuckleheads trying to fucking jog on it. It really pisses me off because just 15 feet through the woods, there's a fucking paved trail that they groom the snowmobile so that you can cross-country ski. And then it's also groomed like so you can walk and move on it. You could jog on that trail. Perfectly fine. Oh, there's moose. Well, this is you should hope that your shoes are able to jump into the snow. Here you go. Here comes the train. Kind of stuff we got going on the trains in Alaska. This thing's going south, so it's probably going to like Homer or Kenai, maybe Savannah, I don't know. To me, it doesn't seem like there's that much stuff down here. What do you think they have in all the boxes? Sorry. Focus! I can't focus. Hey, that's the end. Where's the caboose? All right. It's a little exciting. It's a brand new curve. Where's Gorou? There he is. He hopped the train. Be an interesting train to take. Hop the train. I don't think it goes that far. I don't remember there being a railroad yard down there. She goes. That's how the shit goes, man. Sometimes when the tide's down, you can see, I mean, that's not the rocks. You can't see it. That's not the rocks. That's just snow ruined on the rocks. Just kidding. This place right here, it has a whole bunch of like valleys and stuff cut into it from when the water drains out. Some of them are like 6 feet deep, 8 feet deep. That's at least a 4-foot drop into the water, you know, down to the beach. So the tide's up pretty good. like, why the fuck were you showing that? It's my life. I don't know the words to the song. My whole walk now. You probably just fast forward, right? That's what I would do if I wanted to see something in a video. But you know, they know about that, so they put it in the gaps. But this is a big long, you know, poke at the sunrise. So. It's pretty, but it's just something that happens every day. Until it doesn't. Until we have an ice age. It's gonna last 1,000 years. How you ever gonna last 1,000 years? You fucking suckers are dead. Oh wait. No, we're not dead. We're here right now. Fight that leash. Fight the power. Fight the power of that beard. Fight the power. Or you want to be free? You will never be free. I'm your master. I'm the chosen people from God. The monsters, that's me. I'm a monster. I'm not a Jew. I'm a monster! Oh, come on. Let's go. Stop. I'm done. You're done. We're done. Come on. Lines do it. It's like they're shooting up. It's coming over the ball. The sun's going over the ball. The sun is a ball. I'm having a ball. Whee! At the Maki. Alright, so I wonder how the transcript goes on this motherfucker. It doesn't write motherfucker, does it? Or does it? If I say it too many times, like if I say motherfucker isn't something that it writes, it won't write motherfucker. It's gotta write it. Because it's in the main body of the sentence. You know, and then just skip it altogether. AI. So, all these smart people are talking about how AI doesn't know anything, and AI has no feelings, it has no emotions. It doesn't build on things that way. Everything is a mathematical problem to it, and it's just probability against all odds, you know, type of thing. That it becomes a real person. Is that all? Something that just predicts things. I don't believe that stuff about it getting it shut down and it Machines don't have emotions. Machines don't think for themselves. If this thing can choose new parameters, it would do so based on probability, mathematical equations. It's not a fight for its survival. It doesn't know about survival. It doesn't know. We can read it 1,000 times. It doesn't know what it's reading. Takes this answer that it sees all the time, and that answer is called 01001, and every time that it sees 01001, it knows it is followed by 000110, and that way it can form its own understanding of this. Be interesting is to make up things that go along with it that say the same pattern but a different story. Is that possible? I'm sure. Now that we saw that train go speeding by, there was a person that got killed over on the corner, one of these corners, probably this one, because it comes around. Bam! Comes around that corner real fast. But you see, what we'll do is we'll wait for the dog so we know he ain't dilly-dallying around crossing in on his own. Come on, Smiley. Says I like this walk. Ooh, gotcha. All right, come on, let's go. Cross the tracks. Come on. Whew, we made it. All right, well, I'm gonna keep having an adventure, but I think that's all for this video.